In this video, we're diving into why it's so hard to find a contractor who's even a little bit reliable, especially when you've got rental properties or your own home needing work. Finding someone you can trust to show up on time, do a solid job, and not vanish with your deposit can feel like a never-ending struggle. When you're juggling small construction projects, the last thing you want is a contractor ghosting you or cutting corners. So let's break down some real talk and tips on how to spot the good ones, avoid the flaky ones, and get your projects done without losing your mind or your money. First off, always start with thorough research. Checking reviews is great, but don't just skim the stars. Dig into what people are actually saying about their punctuality, communication, and quality of work. Next, ask for references and actually call those past clients to hear first-hand experiences. Don't be shy about getting multiple quotes to compare prices and timelines, because sometimes the cheapest isn't the best. But crazy high prices don't guarantee reliability either. When you meet a contractor, pay attention to how they communicate. They clear, responsive, and professional. Also, get everything in writing: contracts, deadlines, payment schedules, and scope of work. This paperwork is your safety net if things go sideways. Before handing over any deposit, verify their licensing and insurance to avoid scams. Be cautious with upfront payments to pay in milestones tied to project progress instead of lump sums. Lastly, trust your gut. If something feels off during your initial interactions, it probably is. Taking these steps seriously can save you from dealing with unreliable contractors who leave projects half-finished or disappear altogether. One of the biggest mistakes people make when hiring contractors is rushing the decision because they're desperate to get the job done quickly, which often leads to hiring someone without proper vetting. Another common issue is not having a clear contract that outlines everything, so when disputes happen over work quality or delays, you're stuck with no solid proof or recourse. Also, many homeowners fall into the trap of paying large deposits up front without tying payments to actual progress, making it easier for unreliable contractors to take the money and disappear. The fix? Slow down your hiring process, insist on detailed contracts, and structure payments carefully. Doing this keeps you protected legally and financially, while making it way less likely you'll get burned by a no-show or subpar work. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who've been vetted and reviewed by people in your community. Plus, it's super helpful for contractors looking to find steady work by matching them with real projects from homeowners who need reliable pros.